Does trimming hair actually help it grow faster? Watch this video, will clear all your doubts. When it comes to hair growth, many myths and misconceptions circulate, making it challenging to discern what truly works. One common belief is that trimming hair can make it grow faster. But is there any truth to this claim? Let's explore the science behind hair growth, the benefits of regular trims, and best practices for maintaining healthy hair. We'll also delve into how yoga can play a role in promoting hair growth. The science of hair growth. Hair grows from the follicles located beneath the scalp. The growth process consists of three phases: anagen, growth; catagen, transition; and telogen, rest. During the anagen phase, hair grows actively, which can last from 2 to 6 years. This phase is followed by the catagen phase, a brief period where growth stops and the follicle shrinks. Finally, the telogen phase is when hair falls out and a new hair begins to grow in its place. Does trimming help hair grow faster? Trimming your hair does not directly impact the speed of hair growth, as growth occurs at the follicle level. However, regular trims can create the appearance of faster growth and contribute to healthier hair. Here's how. 1. Preventing split ends. Split ends can travel up the hair shaft, causing breakage. By trimming regularly, you prevent split ends from forming and traveling, maintaining the integrity of the hair. 2. Reducing breakage. Healthy, well-maintained hair is less prone to breakage. Trimming removes the weakest parts of your hair, making it stronger overall. 3. Maintaining length. While it might seem counterintuitive, trimming can help you maintain your hair length. By cutting off damaged ends, you reduce the risk of breakage, allowing your hair to retain its length over time. Best practices for healthy hair growth. 1. Balanced diet. Nutrition plays a crucial role in hair health. Incorporate foods rich in vitamins A, C, D, and E, zinc, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. 2. Gentle hair care. Avoid excessive heat styling and harsh chemical treatments. Use gentle shampoos and conditioners, and consider air drying your hair whenever possible. 3. Scalp health. Keep your scalp clean and well moisturized. Regular scalp massages can improve blood circulation, promoting hair growth. 4. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair and scalp hydrated. 5. Avoid tight hairstyles. Hairstyles that pull on the hair can cause damage and breakage. Opt for looser styles that reduce stress on the hair and scalp. Yoga and hair growth. Yoga can also contribute to healthier hair. Certain yoga poses and practices improve blood circulation to the scalp, reduce stress, and promote overall wellness, all of which are beneficial for hair growth. Yoga poses for hair growth. 1. Adho Mukha Swansana. Downward facing dog. This pose increases blood flow to the scalp, promoting hair growth. 2. Uttansana. Standing forward bend. This forward bend encourages blood circulation to the head and scalp. 3. Vajrasana. Thunderbolt pose. Sitting in this pose improves digestion and helps in the absorption of nutrients essential for hair growth. 4. Sarvangasana. Shoulder stand. This inversion pose enhances blood flow to the scalp and helps reduce hair loss. Breathing exercises. 1. Kapalbhati. Skull shining breath. This breathing technique improves blood circulation and detoxifies the body, promoting healthy hair growth. 2. Anulom Vilom. Alternate nostril breathing. This practice helps reduce stress and improve overall well-being, which can positively impact hair health. While trimming your hair doesn't make it grow faster, it plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy, strong hair. Regular trims prevent split ends, reduce breakage, and help maintain length. Alongside proper hair care practices and a balanced diet, incorporating yoga into your routine can further support healthy hair growth. By taking a holistic approach to hair care, you can achieve the luscious, healthy hair you desire.